part 2 of the Lubuntu install. Oh, where'd it go? Okay, part 2 of the Ubuntu install. I Control-Alt-Deleted and it says installation is finished. So that those error messages were interfering with effectively the restart now message. Let's see what happens if I restart now is not accessible. Let's try closing that. No joy there either. Control Alt. It's hard to do this with the keyboard. One-handed is never easy. Control Alt Delete. Quit. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and just quit right here from logout. Reboot. See what happens. I'm going to pull out the USB. Okay, I remove the installation media. It's now disconnected. And enter. Enter. I've already removed it. And it appears to be doing something. I don't know what. That'll be part 3 probably.